Hi angels, hi my lovelies, it's lvluxegirl back again with another video. So today I have a Hermes unboxing of some Hermes beauty items in my, collection. If that's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and keep on watching. Remember to go ahead, hit that like button right now, as well as subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified anytime I upload videos. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my uploads. So yeah, let's go ahead, let's get started. So before we get started talking about these Hermes beauty items that I recently picked up, the first thing that I wanted to talk about was my bag of the day. I wanted to share my bag of the day. So this is my lovely bag of the day, and it's my Isabella Rhea bag. So yeah, this was the bag that I carried today when I ran errands, basically to the post office and out to the store, to the gas station. Yeah, I carried my Isabella Rhea bag. So I wanted to talk with you guys a little bit more about this bag. We'll get back to this in a minute, but for right now, let's go ahead and get started talking about these lovely Hermes items. So I initially wanted to try out the Hermes Twilly perfume, and I picked up this little sample and I loved it so much and I wore it so much that I decided to go ahead and pick up a few more, of the Twilly items by Hermes. So the next thing that I ended up picking up was a little larger bottle of it. I picked up this little bottle of it because, like I said, I loved it so much. And this bottle is so stinking cute. It's only a few ounces, but it's so cute. And I don't know if it's just me, but the little bottle looks like it has a little top hat on it. And like I said, I was loving it so much that I decided to go ahead and pick up a few more items. So let's go ahead and see what all I picked up. So the first thing that I picked up was the hand cream, and I haven't opened it yet. So I figured I would open it up while I have you guys on camera with me. So let's go ahead and take a look at this hand cream. And it's in a pretty nice size. It's about, it says 40 milliliters. I'm not sure how many ounces that is, but it's just a few, like maybe 1 point something, I think, ounce. It's not very large. So, I figured I could go ahead and carry this around with me in my handbag. So I have it open, and let's see how much actual lotion I'm gonna get in this, out of this size, out of this 1 point whatever ounce it is. So now I have it open, you guys, and oh, it's so cute. The packaging is orange on the interior. I wasn't expecting that. That looks really cute. The packaging is yellow. Oh, and then this is the bottle of it. It's so pretty. The packaging is yellow, but I would say the bottle is actually like a pastel pink. It really doesn't look orange to me, but this is gonna be a nice size, a very adequate size for me to carry around in my different handbags. And it smells so good. It smells so good. And to wear the perfume layered with the lotion, that just makes the scent, last that much longer, you guys. If you go in anywhere, if you're standing at the post office, if you're in that little vestibule area, or if you're just, anywhere, the scent just travels along with you and it's gonna linger, especially if you wear it with the, if you wear it layered with the lotion and the perfume. So I picked up the lotion, and this little bottle is so pretty and it smells so good. The next thing that I decided to pick up was the Hermes soap. So I went ahead and picked up the soap. So let's take a look at that, because I haven't opened the soap yet, and I wanted to, go ahead and share it with you guys. So this was the next Hermes beauty item, perfume item that I wanted to go ahead and pick up, and that's the soap. Go ahead and take the plastic off, and oh, I can smell this already. It smells so good, and now I know. Now I'm expecting that orange packaging. It has the same orange packaging that the lotion had. This soap, I can smell it. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. It smells so good, and it is wrapped in plastic. It's still wrapped in plastic, but I could just smell it through the plastic. It really smells beautiful, you guys. So I went ahead and picked up a bar of the soap, the Hermes soap, the Twilly and this smells really, really good. So the next thing that I decided to pick up, since I loved the little bottle, the little smaller bottle, and the little sample, I decided to go ahead and just go on out and go ahead and pick up the larger size bottle, you guys. And this larger bottle is like 4.6 fluid ounces. So this one is like 1 point something, and I think the lotion is like 1 point something. And then this is like 4.6 fluid ounces. So this is the larger bottle. And I was hoping, I'm keeping my fingers crossed, because I've seen some of you other ladies and other girls here on YouTube with your Hermès perfume. And I'm thinking that this is the one that comes with the little scarf around the bottle, the little Twilly. And I'm hoping that this larger size will give me, I know, it's the little things, you guys, that make us happy. But I'm hoping this larger size will give me that, let's keep our fingers crossed, you guys. I'm hoping that this larger size is going to give me that little Twilly scarf. So once again, I see the beautiful orange packaging on the interior. And I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And I think it's in there. Yeah, so I'm so happy, you guys, because my little bottle has the little Twilly. And I mean, in addition to it smelling so good, I can't lie, I have to be honest, I really, really wanted this little Twilly on my bottle. It just looks so, so stinking cute. I went ahead and pulled it around to the front because it was around the side. That little Twilly just looks so, so cute. This is such a nice little bottle, you know, to put on your vanity tray and on your perfume tray, and it just smells amazing. I did go ahead and, like I said, you know, oh, it smells so good. I did go ahead and enjoy the smaller ones, you guys, the smaller fluid ounces of this. So I wanted to go ahead and add the larger Hermès Twilly bottle of perfume to my perfume collection. And you guys know recently I did do a perfume haul on, you know, I compared some higher end perfumes like Carolina Herrera to the inspired version of the Carolina Herrera, which is the Ferrera Stiletto perfume. So go ahead and check that video. I'll go ahead and link that video down below. But I just wanted to go ahead and also get some higher end perfume, you guys. I like all ranges of mid-range, you know, affordable products, as well as the higher end perfumes. So it's really, really good to just play around and sample those different perfumes. When I'm in Nordstrom Rack and I'm waiting in line, you know, I'm on all those different, the perfume counter and my Nordstrom Rack is right there at the cash register. So right as you're about to check out, all of the different lovely scents are right there to tempt you right before you check out, you guys. But yeah, I had to go ahead and pick up this Hermès Twilly, and I absolutely love this in my collection. So the next thing that I wanted to talk about was that I am loving the Hermès lipstick, and I don't have it on today, but I have basically picked up the name of the one that I have is Rose Épice, and it's number 21. It's in the shade number 21, and it's a satin lipstick because the Hermès lipsticks come in the satin and the matte formula, and mine's the Rose Épice is a satin formula of it, and it's so, so pretty. So this was the Hermès lipstick that I had picked up a while ago in the lovely Rose Épice, and I love that magnetic closure on the lipstick. So now I think I'm pretty good with different Hermès, you know, the beauty items in my little Hermès beauty collection. I have a couple of the samples of the perfume as well as the larger bottle. And then this lotion is going to be invaluable because I'll be able to carry it and move it from handbag to handbag, you guys. And the soap just smells so, so good. The soap really smells really good and amazing. It's so pretty. This also came in like a set of like a trio set. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the trio set. But I wanted to share that with you guys. And the next thing that I wanted to tell you is I carried this bag with me today at the post office, and I didn't notice that I had a pen in my hand, and I was talking, and I didn't notice that the pen had put a little pen scratch on this bag, and it's right over in this area right here. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but the pen had put a little pen scratch. You know, I had the bag crossbody, and I was doing something. I had some other things in my hand. My hands were full, and I didn't realize that the pen had made a few little scratches on this bag. And this is my Isabella Rhea bag. I was able to go ahead and just with a damp cloth, I didn't use anything else but a damp cloth and a little bit of regular hand soap. I didn't want to use any, this is real leather, and I didn't want to use any Apple brand soap or anything. I just said, you know what, I'm just going to try to just with a regular little bit amount of hand soap and water, just rub it. And sure enough, most of the pen, looking at it very closely, I could just see a few right here, but most of the scratches did go ahead and come out. You might be able to see just a few of them right there. So I am happy that thankfully, most of the scratches came out of this bag. Because I really do love this bag. And the brand of this bag is Isabella Rhea. And I purchased it a while ago at Nordstrom Rack, several months ago. It's going on almost a year that I've had this bag. And even though Isabella Rhea, quote unquote, is not a luxury brand or a high-end brand, it is real leather. It's a mid-range contemporary brand. I would say it's comparable or comparable to Rebecca Minkoff or Kurt Geiger, but it's not as mainstream as Rebecca Minkoff and Kurt Geiger. You know, it's not as well known, but it is still a designer brand and a designer company that comes through Nordstrom Rack and higher end department stores. And like I said, the name of the bag is Isabella Rhea, and I love this bag, even though, it's not my Chanel or it's not one of my Rebecca Minkoff bags. It's still an all leather bag, very quality made. It's absolutely beautiful. I get compliments on it when I wear it. And I was, it had really disappointed me for a minute when I had wore it. I was disappointed that I had gotten the ink on it. But thankfully, I was able to go ahead and get the ink marks out. So that's what it looks like, and I was able to get the ink marks out, and I absolutely love it because it is a chain bag. It's a beautiful chain bag in my collection. So I'm so thankful that I was able to get the ink marks out of this Isabella Rhea bag. So thank you for joining me for my Hermes unboxing, as well as just speaking a little bit about the Isabella Rhea brand. Don't take this brand for granted, you guys. If you ever run across the Isabella Rhea brand, go ahead and check it out. This company makes some really quality bags. Thank you for joining me. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my video, and I'll see you again soon in another video.